Hi friends, Tracy Bish here, Stampin' Up demonstrator in Australia. Welcome to my channel. I'm super excited to be here with you today. I thought I would do a quick video showing you a sketch, which is actually Tracy's Sunday challenge for this week. I'll try and pop it in the on the screen here now. I'm actually filming a Christmas series right now, and I'm a little sick of actually playing with the Christmas DSP right now. So I've gone through my stash. I've seen this one from last year, Take a Bow 6x6. I thought I might get that out because I went through a couple of these packs and it's got some great paper in it. So I really like this one. So I'm going to use this one for Tracy's Sunday Challenge this week. And we're going to do a really quick and simple card. This sketch is super simple, which I do love doing sketches and making it really simple. I'm going to start off with a piece of basic white thick card, and this is A4. I'm just going to score it in half and then cut in half. That just gives me 2 card bases. Maybe we'll even make 2, who knows. See how much time I get before a customer comes in. I'm filming this while I'm at work. It has been really quiet today though, because we've got a big storm coming through, very windy, and most people are not out and about because it's a really bad day. So you might hear the wind in the background as well. So we've got basic white thick cardstock. I'm going to use this DSP, and I think I'm going to use both sides of it. So on the left hand side of that sketch we have a smaller piece, so I'm going to make that, let's do that at 1.5 inches, and I'm going to go down to 5.5. So I'll go down to 5.5 and cut that off to start with. Gives me a little strip, and then I'm going to do 1.5 inches across, which will be my first marker. And then the other side, didn't look at that very well, but I think we'll get away with that. How far over will we need? Not really measuring, I'm just sort of taking note. I can make a mark somewhere around there, which is going to make it, let's say 2.25. That gives me these little pieces from that 6x6, if I can pick that up. There we go. And I like that. I think that is so cool. Great colors together. There is a little rectangle on the sketch, so I'm going to do that as well. How much do I want? I love sketches because you can really just do what you wish. You don't have to do anything to measurements really. I think I'm going to make that 2 inches by 3 inches. Okay. 2 inches by 3 inches. I have grabbed a stamp set out that I've been using already. Like that. Probably could have even gone down to 4 inches maybe. So cool. All right, let's layer these 2 pieces of DSP onto our card base first. So I'm just going to use some liquid glue. Is anyone joining in this week's Tracy's Sunday Challenge? I would love it if you did. It's really fun. Share your creativity. You know, you don't have to do anything majorly special. All you gotta do is take a photo of what you've created and go over to my business Facebook page, and in the challenge post, that is where you can pop in your photo. Already that looks so nice. We have that little piece that we've just die cut from, and did I tell you I was using the Keeping Traditions stamp set? I think I'm gonna do, what do we want to do? think I might do Joy. And I might heat emboss that. So Joy in the center. And then something smaller. Thinking, so I haven't really thought too much about what I was going to do. I don't know. Maybe I'll stamp the holly and berries and I'll add that down. So we'll need a little bit of thick white cardstock. We'll stamp those. For my Joy, I've changed my mind. I was going to heat emboss it. Now I'm going to grab some garden green ink and I'm just going to stamp the Joy all the way around this piece of card. I'm going to start with in the center and then we're going to stamp and do this all the way on this piece. And I could have done Versamark ink as well. That would have been a little bit lighter. That would look really good as well. We can still see Joy there. I like that. That's cool. Okay, let me grab a piece of basic white thick for a little holly and berries. Has everyone started their Christmas crafting? Always my favourite time of year to craft, I think. Okay, we have our little holly and berries. I'm going to quickly fussy cut those out as quickly as I can. Yeah, the Countdown to Christmas, which is a Christmas series that's going to be coming out next month, very early next month. So I think it's the 3rd of November is when we're starting. I've teamed up with my friend Rachel Merrick and we're bringing 2 videos each during the week, so 4 videos with some great Christmas crafts and cards, treats, all sorts of great fun projects for you. So if you're just joining this video for the first time, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the Countdown to Christmas. 24 projects, so much fun. And the projects are so good. You really are going to love them. All right, lastly, did I throw away the berries? Where did they go? It's a story of my crafting life. Let's do another one. Desk is never big enough, and I'm just a bit of a messy crafter as well, which doesn't help. So bright red berries, so cool. So there is no die set with this Keeping Traditions. It is a actually a scrapbooking designed stamp, but honestly, I don't think it really matters. I think you could definitely get away with it. So I'm going to put that somewhere around about there. And then the sketch has like a ribbon or something going down that side. So I do have this ribbon. And I think we're going to use that because this is not my favourite ribbon. This is Fluffy Trim in Basic White. Definitely not my favourite, but I have to use it. So I'm going to grab this Joy piece. I'm going to pop some tear and tape down that side, and that's going to hold that fluffy trim. This is part of the North Pole delivery suite in the mini catalogue, and you might love this ribbon, and that's okay. We don't have to all like everything. I didn't think it was going to be as thick as it is. It's really quite a thick ribbon, and that's my problem with it. But a nice little area down the side. That doesn't look too bad. Almost lost the berries again. I think I'm going to pop this one up with dimensionals. And that'll keep it at the right length of that ribbon there. So. Now while we're doing this, I do want to let you know that Wednesday, Thursday and Friday of this week, so what is it, the 22nd to the 24th of October, there is free shipping with Stamping Up. So for any orders over $65 here in Australia, you can get free shipping, which is an amazing deal. You're going to save yourself quite a bit of money. And we also have that starter kit special still available to the end of October. So if you're in need of any of the supplies that I've used, or you would like to purchase some of some products to get your Christmas crafting ready and done, place that order this week and save yourself the shipping. Or purchase that starter kit, and which is only $60. There are two options. The first one's $60, and that's the one I highly recommend. $60 is nothing. You get to choose $235 worth of product, and you get free shipping on that order as well for your first starter kit order. And then any orders after that, you're going to save yourself 20% with the demonstrated discount, which is also an amazing deal. And I feel that there's something missing there, so I'm just going to have a look through my stash really quickly. And I'm feeling like I need a little bit of bling. Let's go gold. Now this, I stocked up on this. This is, I think, maybe 3 years ago, 2-3 years ago. What was it called? Simply Elegant Trim. I love, you know, the golds and silvers for our holiday crafting. So use your stash up. Let's see, where do I want that? Maybe we could do it this way. I'm going to use a mini glue dot. Hopefully that will stick that down enough. If not, we can use a couple. That's not in the sketch, but that's okay. We can improvise a little. You can interpret the sketch a lot of ways. We've got all the other elements there. And then this is going to be right near that middle joy sentiment. So cute. That looks really good. Let's add a little bit of Wink of Stella because we can. Give it a little bit more of a pop. And then I don't know, do we need to embellish with some more embellishments? Or do we leave it as is? Just adding a little bit of sparkle to our holly and berries there. Maybe I can even do the joy. Being really careful. I think that's cute. Not bad for some retired DSP. And some new products just to give it a little bit more light. I love the colours in this, the Real Red, Garden Green. Very, very pretty. And this is my take for Tracy's Sunday Challenge this week, which is a sketch challenge. Come and join in. It's so much fun, and sharing your creativity is just amazing as well. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope that you've enjoyed a quick and easy card. Please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't hit subscribe, please do that as well. And if you're watching, please leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Don't forget, we have free shipping till Friday the 24th here in Australia. So there is a link in the description to my online store if you would like to place an order. And the starter kit specials, there's 2 available. They're available till the end of this month. For $60, you get to choose $235 worth of product of your choice, and free shipping, business supplies are all yours, and you get 20% discount after that, which is amazing. So if there's things in that catalogue or online, if you've had a look online that you would like, and you've got $60 worth of product, buy that starter kit because you're getting way more bang for your buck, and you've got some great benefits of being a demonstrator as well. So super fun. All right, everyone, have a wonderful day. I'll see you all really soon, and yeah, come back again soon. Bye.